To remove a card on Cash App, you need to follow a few simple steps. First, open the Cash App on your device and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile page where you can access various settings and options. On the profile page, scroll down to the funding section and select the linked accounts option. Here, you will see a list of all the cards and bank accounts that are currently linked to your Cash App account. Find the card you want to remove and swipe left on it. You will see a delete button appear. Tap on it to remove the card from your account. Alternatively, you can also remove a card by going to the Cash App settings. To do this, tap on the profile icon and then select the support option. From the support menu, choose the Something Else option and then select the Account Settings option. Scroll down to the Linked Accounts section and find the card you want to remove. Tap on the three dots next to the card and select the Remove Card option. It is essential to note that removing a card from your Cash App account will not affect any pending transactions. However, it will prevent you from using the card for future transactions. If you want to use the card again, you will need to re-add it to your account. In addition to removing a card, you can also replace an old or expired card with a new one. To do this, simply add the new card to your account and then remove the old one. This will ensure that you can continue to use Cash App without any disruptions. By following these steps, you can easily remove a card from your Cash App account. It is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and secure to avoid any potential issues.